day without math. It was Easter morning. We had many plans ahead, but we ran into many issues, all because math does not exist. Easter morning, where traditionally the alarm clock will ring. However, it doesn't. We woke up late because there is no alarm clock or a valid way to measure time. Time was created on the recognition of solar patterns. Without time, we do not know the exact year, month, day, or time. We could be late, we could be early. We have a day planned to meet people for an Easter celebration. They could be late, could be early, they may not show up at all. The chances of people showing up on time are very slim, but we can't calculate that either without probability. What are the odds of this unfortunate event? All because math does not exist. You continue with your morning by going to fix your bed, but instead you just throw your discolored sheet on the ground. Your bed or bedding doesn't exist, because without geometric reasoning, there are no named shapes. Measuring never occurred either. Therefore, your sheet is oddly shaped. The sheet is also discolored because there is not proportional relationships to create a true color, all because math does not exist. The plan was to go to the store to buy some treats for an Easter celebration, but without math, the search for this ingredients turned into a recipe bar disaster. You wanted to drive to the store, but without physics there is no way to have a functional car. We do not know an accurate speed because there are no speed limit signs. Speed cannot be calculated since we do not know an accurate way to measure distance or to tell time, all because math does not exist. If you are a problem solver and decide to just walk to the store, good luck with that. The eggs and chocolate you wanted to buy do not have a price either. They are not free. The realtors do not know a fair price or even an amount to put into each package. It would have been great to find the unit rate and use multiplication to scale up. Statistical questions could also help. How many should be put into each package? We could represent this with a statistical display, such as a bar graph, circle graph, line graph. However, we can't, all because math does not exist. The treats you planned on making for each child at Easter celebration turned into a mighty task. Without mathematics, proportional relationships, there is no way you can make sure each young sprout received a fair share of their favorite goodies. Again, you think you can just count them out. However, there is no counting because there are no numbers, all because math does not exist. All of these events took place on Easter morning, waking up, time, counting, creating a fair share, measuring, calculating speed, representing cost, physics, probability, statistical questions, displays, and problem solving. It would have been a very difficult day if math did not exist. Besides talking about math and just my Easter day, we could also apply it to video games. Yes, that's right. Every time you build structures, deal damage to enemies, and race the storm, all to earn a victory royale, you're recalling your knowledge of basic number operations, inequalities, equations, and problem solving. Imagine gaming without no math, no timing, no way to keep score, no pattern recognition. This wouldn't even be fun. So take a moment and think outside of the box. What are some ways you can use math outside of school?